In this video, we will show you how to use the writing and drawing function by drawing a cat. It will cover all the steps we need to set up the Rotrics DexArm and use the drawing and writing function, including install pen module, secure paper, set work height, generate G-code, and drawing. Before start, we need to learn some basic knowledge of DexArm. The coordinate system we are using is base coordinates. Its origin is at the junction of the first axis and the base of DexArm. So remember that it can't move to the original position. The curved area in Rotrics Studio is the max working range in 2D. Now let's start using the pen holder module to start writing and drawing. Make sure you've got all the items for drawing. First, install the pen holder module and secure the paper. Insert the pen into the pen holder module and tighten the screws. Plug the pen holder module into the head of DexArm. Put a piece of paper 15 centimeters in front of DexArm and fix it with tapes or magnets. Next, prepare for drawing. We need to adjust the work height and generate drawing G-codes. You can either use Rotrics Studio software or the touchscreen to control. Let's start with Rotrics Studio. Power on DexArm and connect it with Rotrics Studio. Go to Drawing Panel and open Control Panel at the top. Click the Z- button on the right side. Keep adjusting until the nib touches the paper. Click Set Work Height. Next step is to generate G-code. Upload the SVG image you have prepared. Adjust image size and work speed. Click Generate G-code. Then you can start drawing. You can also use the touchscreen to control in a more flexible way. First, copy your G-code file into the SD card. Connect the touchscreen with DexArm. Make sure you've adjusted the pen position before drawing. Tap SD card, choose the G-code file and start drawing. Congratulations on your first drawing! Don't forget to share your creations with the community and have fun drawing.